Get all object attributes in Python? Is there a way to get all attributes / methods / fields / etc. of an object in Python? Vars is close to what I want, but it doesn't work unless an object has a _dict_, which isn't always true. For example, it's not true for a list, a dict, etc.
Use the built-in function dir.
I use _dict_ and dir instance. Example.
What you probably want is dir. The catch is that classes are able to override the special _dir_ method, which causes dir to return whatever the class wants, though they are encouraged to return an accurate list. This is not enforced. Furthermore, some objects may implement dynamic attributes by overriding _getter_, maybe RPC proxy objects, or maybe instances of C extension classes. If your object is one of these examples, they may not have a _dict_ or be able to provide a comprehensive list of attributes via _dir_. Many of these objects may have so many dynamic it won't actually know what it has until you try to access it. In the short run, if dir isn't sufficient, you could write a function which traverses _dict_ for an object, then _dict_ for all the classes in obj.class_dot_row_, though this will only work for normal Python objects. In the long run, you may have to use duck typing plus assumptions. If it looks like a duck, cross your fingers and hope it has feathers.
You can use dir your _ object to get the attributes and getter your _ object, your _ object _ature to get the values. Usage.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.